Hey guys, how's it going? How to sync Apple Notes across devices. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the settings, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll over there till I find my notes. And once you're gonna go to the notes, you're gonna see right here notes created outside of a specific account, such as when using Siri, are placed in this account. So basically the Apple Notes will be synced to iCloud because it is from basically the Apple Notes belongs to Apple or iCloud. So in that case, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to actually go back right here to the notes settings, and basically you can add another account to sync. Maybe if you want to add a Gmail account or whatever it might be, you can add it to sync your information to that account. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead to the accounts right here, and basically let's say I want to add account, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and click Google, and after you walk through that process of adding the account and everything, you're gonna be able to add that sync your information, sync your Apple Notes, and basically to that account. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.